Welcome back to the original Living in Augusta, Georgia channel. Today we're going to take a tour of a home in Hayne Station, in the Hayne Station community. So we're currently on Gordon Highway, which is right near Fort Eisenhower, turning into the Hayne Station community. And so here, this is one of the closest communities to Fort Eisenhower. It's convenient to shopping, to restaurants, and the expressway. So the home that we're looking at, all of the homes that are here in Hayne Station are built by one of our local builders, which is Bill Beazley. And this community has 2 swimming pools, it has street lights, and also sidewalks. So the home we'll tour today is a ranch-style 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with the homestead 14 floor plan. So this home is slightly less than 1,700 square feet. And as you enter the home, the foyer leads you to a welcoming great room, which is really the heart of the home. There's a beautiful modern style kitchen here with lots of counter space. Look at all that counter space in this beautiful island. It's granite countertops, and they also have stainless steel appliances here in the kitchen. Enjoy the tour. So once again, this is Hayne Station in Augusta, Georgia. If you're interested in this community or any other communities in our area, feel free to give me a call, send me a text or an email. My information is on the screen. I'm Delresa Rollerson, Augusta's relocation specialist. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next video.